Welcome. In this video, we're diving into one of the most practical tools in public relations, the newsletter. Whether digital or printed, newsletters are powerful channels for sharing news, building trust, and growing brands. Let's break it all down. A newsletter is a report, printed or digital, that shares updates about an organization with a specific audience. That could be customers, employees, partners, or the general public. Here are the key parts of a typical newsletter: header, the title, date, and issue number. Content: news stories, updates, interviews, or event announcements. Visuals, images, charts, or even videos if it's digital. Call to action: encourages readers to visit your website, register for an event, or share the content. Footer: contact details, unsubscribe options, and social media links. There are two main types of newsletters. Internal newsletters, sent to employees, covering internal updates, staff highlights, and company news. External newsletters, for customers or the public. They include promotions, product news, or industry trends. Newsletters aren't just nice to have, they're essential in public relations for several reasons. They provide direct, regular updates to your audience. No middleman, just clear, timely info. A newsletter keeps people connected to your brand, helping build loyalty and trust over time. Consistent newsletters reinforce your brand's voice, values, and personality. Got good news? Share it. Facing a crisis? Clarify it. Newsletters help shape public perception. Include surveys or polls, ask for comments, make it a two-way conversation, launch a product, promote an event, offer discounts. Newsletters are a direct line to action. By sharing expert insights or trends, you position your brand as a leader, not just a voice. Celebrate achievements, welcome new hires, and keep your internal team informed and motivated. Now, how do you make your newsletters great? Here are some tips. Know your audience and tailor the content to their needs. Be consistent, don't disappear. Use quality content that's clear, relevant, and valuable. Design matters. Keep it clean, visual, and easy to read. Personalize the experience. Use names, preferences, and friendly language. Track performance. Use tools to measure opens, clicks, and feedback to improve over time. Newsletters are more than updates. They're bridges that connect your brand with your audience. Used strategically, they help you communicate better, build stronger relationships, manage reputation, and even drive action. So, if you're in PR, make newsletters part of your toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like, share with your classmates, and subscribe for more PR insights.